everyone, welcome to Kochiva's 20-hour A1.1 French course. In this French A1.1 course, we will be learning how to form simple sentences and how to ask basic questions in almost everyday situations, be it at the university, at the school, at the market, ordering food at a restaurant, describing your city, along with the corresponding grammar concepts. This course is for everyone, and by everyone I mean those who want to start their language learning journey, whether it is for their professional, personal, or immigration purposes. Well, this course is the perfect starting point as it will give you an overview of the course. It will introduce you to the teaching approach and help you gauge about how well you can grasp the concepts of a new language. This is your chance to begin. And the best part, you get to repeat this course as many times as you want. You can take notes, ask questions in the comment box, get answers, follow the course at your own pace, at your own time, and make the most of it. Well, without any further ado, let's start the course. Let's go!